Hello, everybody. Welcome to my new trade recap of previous week. So I had two trades, and only one is running, and one is a break even. So it's just a break even week for me. There were some possibilities to make it a nice week, but at my work I missed some trades. So yeah. So if I go now to the weekly chart on AUDCHF, we had here an inversion and shoulders reversal pattern. We had here our shoulder one, head, shoulder two, with then the weekly bullish candle close as an indicational candle for more upside momentum. Then I went to the daily for a possible daily pattern, and what I saw was that we had here a shoulder one, head, then the shoulder two. We had here the reversal pattern. As you can see on the line chart, we have here shoulder one, head, shoulder two. So we could look for a potential buy setup. So if I go now to the 4-hour chart, then I saw, okay, we had here our possible inverted and shoulders, and we went below this daily zone, and there was no pattern yet. Then we went back till the highs here, and we went back, and we were possibly making here this bullish M after the daily touch, daily zone of interest touch region, but we were already hitting the 4-hour lower high, so this was invalid to take then. So we went till the daily lows, and there was a pattern valid to take. So if I go here, I take my brush here. You can see we had then our daily zone tapped, so I can then count first leg, second leg, then the third leg, the fourth leg. This is the bullish M. So I want to enter at this higher low here, this low here. So I wanted to enter, but I was at my work and I missed this limit. So I just came on the markets and I was too late. So I manually opened it. It was around here, but the spreads took me a little bit higher, and then there was a push to the upside, so that's why I got in late. So I was running around 1%, so then I was break even, and then the price came back till, yeah, my entry point. So if I got in at this lower high, then there was no problem for me. So yeah, big lesson also to have a better management of my time and my work. Not that easy always. So yeah, it's yeah. So this was AUDCHF. This was a potential trade for around 3.9%. So I could take here already 2% here. So 1/3 out, and maybe here some more partials out. So I was already running there. Yeah, I could. This could be a trade of over 3%, 2.5%. So yeah. Then USD CAD is still running for me. So if I go to the weekly, you can see on the weekly we were making here this bigger bullish M here. So yeah, we are still in a bullish driver. We have here that ascending trend line holding the price up with that weekly bullish candle close, which is nice indication. So I could look for a daily pattern. And on the daily, I saw, okay, we are still making here that bigger bearish W, but we didn't reach that lower high yet. So I can look still for a possible buy setup because the weekly is bullish and the indicational candle is there. So what I saw on the daily was this bullish M with a small institutional candle here sitting. So this small institutional candle works like a magnet. So I drew this daily small zone here. So I wanted to touch the price, this white daily zone here that I drew, not that big. And we reached that. And then I wanted to see a 4-hour pattern. So we have that daily bullish M. So I was looking here to take a trade on a daily zone. So I went to the 4-hour now. And what I saw was, okay, we touched this with a nice subtle wick. We made a bullish candle. So we have the first candle, second candle, the third candle. I was setting my limit. The limit was triggered. Stop loss wide enough for around, I think, 5%, 5.1%. And my break-even point was here. So I'm already break-even, but I wanted to take partials at the 2%. So this trade is still running and waiting for my first take partials to be hit. So yeah, and then the missed trades are CADJPY. So on CADJPY, what we saw was we have here that bigger natural M. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, same highs. So we expect same lows. And we had also here that ascending trend line here on the daily, it's more clear. And we had that weekly bullish candle close as an indication for more upside momentum. So we went to the daily chart and on the daily, you see here that S&P trend line holding the price up, already some deceleration forming here with a reversal pattern. As you see on the line chart, we have that first shoulder 1, that head, and then the shoulder 2 here. Very nice reversal pattern, and it played out till the daily minus 27. That's why we always take partials at the daily minus 27 here. So we went to the daily lows because I drew first my daily zone on the shoulder 1, but we didn't hit our pattern, only on the daily lows. And what we saw on the 4-hour was we had there some deceleration. So we had the first candle, second candle was a blue candle, then the third, and the limit could be set on the fourth, but this was around 3 a.m. So yeah, it was in the middle of the night. I had the morning shift, so I couldn't stay up to take this trade. So yeah, so no mistake there made. So yeah, it's a shame I didn't take it, but yeah, no problem. I need to have my sleep also. So then the second one, GBPUSD. This one I needed to take. I was still backtesting some things about the daily M with bigger institutional candle. So I will explain later. So on the weekly, we are at GBPUSD. On the weekly, we have here a bullish driver. We have multiple weekly bullish candles. So I could look on the daily, and on the daily, we had here our bullish M, our first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So I normally, with my backtesting, I will delete this daily zone. Normally, when I backtested, so I backtested some things about the bullish M with an institutional candle, with a bigger institutional candle. I just take the whole institutional candle, and normally it works. But I was still backtesting, so I wasn't sure about it yet. But I needed to take it normally. So when I went to the 4-hour chart, you can see we had here a diesel. So this was valid to take, and I was still backtesting that how many times it played out. So that's why I didn't took it, but I need to take it because I have already some 20 or 30 screenshots about that, and it works. So yeah, next time I need to take it. So this was a potential trade for around, yeah, netto 3-4% with the first take partials of the 4-hour TP around here, 4-hour TP. This will be around 2.2%, 33% out, and then the 66% out full partials taken will be then on 5.1. So this was a very nice trade. So yeah, this was my training week, just break even for the moment. Yeah, lessons learned this week. So have a nice trading week and see you next time. Bye.